Hello everyone! Today we're going to review our setup.
So let's talk about the new microphones we got. First off, welcome. Well, how did we get those microphones? We want to know that. We got them from AliExpress. Pretty, simple shit. I'm gonna show them to you. Here we got the Redmi mics. I don't remember the fucking.
Those are fakes, by the way.
Exact brand. Are they?
Yeah, they don't like the actual Redmi don't produce those stuff. Yeah.
Well,
it still works. It still works.
They work very
flawlessly,
nice.
To be honest.
Yeah, they look flawless and they work very good. So the whole thing is we got those microphones for like 20 bucks. Pretty cheap, Our country.
I think it was 30 or something. It was like 60 level.
No, what the fuck, no.
I
got them for like, no bro, we got them for like 25, 60 bucks.
Alright, it doesn't matter. It was pretty cheap.
Bulgarian currency.
It was pretty
cheap as hell.
Yeah.
And they work flawlessly. And how do they work is another question you might want to ask. By the way, the weather right now is fucking chopped as hell.
It is.
Now it's gonna be cloudy and second after it's gonna be sunny as hell. The sun is already coming.
Don't mind the nature.
So the microphones, how they work is we have a lot of ways to show them. First up, we have this little magnet here that just snaps on the microphone's back. The microphone comes from here. We have noise suppression, as you can see. We have mute, we have power, and we have what was that? That's just an indicator that it works. So how the microphones work? We have those little snips here. They work really nice. So that's just a magnet right here on the back of the microphone. You slap it on the back, and you have this right here, the metallic plate.
This is the actual microphone.
That's the actual microphone. I turned it off right now. I'm speaking from Bro's microphone, and here we have a USB port.
Type C.
Type C. And it works pretty nice. It's basically you have the box, the little power charging box.
You can show them if you want.
So here we have the box. It also has a USB, and inside there's the slots for them. And if you somehow lose this box, you can still charge those, which is why they're good as hell. And the suppression is really good too. And here we have a little yellow button. If you press it twice, you mute the microphone. If you press it once, you turn on noise suppression. And right now, I think it's off. So here is how the magnet works. Put it on the inside of your shirt, snap it in, and there we go. It's on. Another way to work with it, snap the microphone.
With the magnet again?
And here,
there's a clip.
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna fall. Wait. So you can do this. Okay? Fucking work. So you can do this.
Perfect.
Zip it on. So yeah, this is a really bad option. Don't even use the clip. It's not worth it.
The magnet is very cool, to be honest.
So much better.
Yeah.
And so that's how the microphones work.
That's how about.
We got them from AliExpress for 26 bucks. Pretty good, cheap, off-brand Redmi microphones. Recommend them.